Welcome to this tutorial on valley depth analysis from the depth in ArcGIS Pro. In this video, we will learn how to calculate valley depth using a digital elevation model. This analysis helps us to identify the valleys, low-lying areas, and understand the terrain characteristics of any region. Before starting to the valley depth analysis, make sure your DEM is in a projected coordinate systems. This is very important for the accurate distance and depth calculations. First of all, we will fill the DEM. This tool fills all the artificial depressions, creating a hydrological correct surface for the better analysis. Now we will calculate the focal statistics. For this, we will set the following parameters: rectangle 11 by 11 statistics type as maximum and name the output local maximum. Why maximum? Because of every cell, ArcGIS Pro finds the highest elevation value in its surroundings neighborhood. This creates a surface representing the local ridges level around each point. Now go to the raster calculator. For this, we will set the following formula. This subsets the original elevation from the local maximum elevation. This final raster shows the depth of each location relative to its surrounding ridges. Let's make our valley depth map visually clear and attractive. Right-click on the valley depth layers, go to the symbology, and classify the raster into 5 classes. The valley depth values in our study area ranges from 0 to 210 meters. Areas with the higher valley depth values, closer to 210 meters, represent the deeply incised valleys, and the values lower to zeros indicate the ridge tops. This information is very useful for understanding the geomorphology, identify the suitable locations for agricultural, urban planning, or flood risk assessments.